Andrew. Dance, buddy. Yeah. Dance. You don't have to get next to the computer to dance. There you go. Let me see. Dance, bud. He wants to see up there. No. Andrew, say I'm almost one. And I get into everything. Come here. Mommy wants to get you dancing. Whoop. Okay, doesn't want to walk. Hey, busy boy. Dance, Andrew. Hi. Hi. What's that? Oh. Say hello. Andrew, what's a doggy say? What's a doggy say? Say woof. Woof. Let's see. What's a doggy say? Aw. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.